We can confirm that we have verified 457 people. That is the number that we verified. And these are the people that were being transported to this center by the municipality after the intervention of the mayor of eThekwini, from that place where they were staying to our place here. So 457 were verified. Only 2 had problems. The one of those 2 was a person who had an outcome that had rejected his application, which means once you have received a rejection, that means you are not going to be having a permit at all. So that person was arrested, and therefore we are going to deal with that person in terms of the Immigration Act around the issue of that person being now illegal in the country. Then the other one had a fraudulent permit, so which means our system detected that this permit that you are presenting to us is actually not authentic, it's fraudulent.
Cyril Xaba usijwayela amasimba, usijwayela nje ingquza. Cyril Xaba, meya yeTheku, usijwayela igolo, usijwayela umtsintsila, uyasinyela kahle kahle. Wena Cyril Xaba usijwayela inhlunu, kumele ukwazi lokho. Uyabo? Bese kuba ileli phoyisa lamasemba lele kuthiwa liyi-spokesperson lapha eKZN. Nisijwayela amasemba nini. Nisijwayela nje indaba yomsunu. Inina laba enisifaki enga mo ukuthi mhla ka-30 Juni sishise lezi nja lezi. Le enga sifakwa yinina. Niclaim ukuthi nina senenze wonke lo msebenzi lo ngo-2 hours kuphela. Na verify abantu abawu-300. Umsebenzi obekumele unithathe unyaka wonke nina niclaim ukuthi niwenzile in 2 hours. Nansi i-time frame, i-type of documentation ngapha kwa-left, ne-duration, isikhathi okumele leyo verification yalawo ma-documentation, isikhathi ebekumele isithathe nasi kwa-right. Uyabo? Awuthi ngiwenzele nje isibonelo. Kuthiwa lapha kulento enibuka la, kuthiwa document verification times for foreigners in South Africa. Estimated processes times by document and permit types 2026. Kwase kuyabalwa ama-types of documents. Nawaya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ama-types of documents ama-foreigners kulelizwe lase-South Africa ngo-2026. Now ama-time frames, estimated processing times. Nakya nina niclaim ukuthi yonke lento niyenze in 2 hours. Into ethatha unyaka wonke. Nisijwayela amasemba nina. Nisijwayela umsunu. Yonke lento le evela la, yonke lento ethikwe ngo-red, unumber 1, unumber 2, unumber 3, unumber 4. Nina niclaim ukuthi yonke lento nikwazile ukuyenza esikhathini esingango-2 hours kubantu abawu-300. Musani ukusijwayela amasimba Cyril Xaba. Musani ukusijwayela amasimba mfowethu. Cyril Xaba, yekani ukusijwayela amasimba. Uyabo? Ayikho lento enisitshela yona. Amasimba lento enisitshela yona. Uyabo? Uyabo? Udoti lento enisitshela yona. Guys, did you know ukuthi lo msunu oyilento oyiminister kwa Home Affairs, did you know ukuthi waseZimbabwe? Lo mlungu lo bathi ubani lo mlungu lo igama lakhe? The Minister of Home Affairs, the Zimbabwean guy, is not a South African. Yini enhle vele esilindele kule Home Affairs yase South Africa ephethwe yiZimbabwe. Is a Zimbabwean guy. Home Affairs Minister yase South Africa is a Zimbabwean guy. Lo mfana ekuthiwa ubani lo mfana lo? Nangu mbukeni. Yeah, proof yokuthi is not a South African. Nansi proof. Proof yokuthi is a Zimbabwean. Nansi proof. uyabo uCyril Xaba ke vele isigebengu esidala. uCyril Xaba uyena lo ehlangene noMagugu Simelane abaxoshisa uJacinta lapha kuyiPower FM. uJacinta lo weMarsh and Marsh wayekade umsakazi kuyiPower FM waxoshiswa uNomagugu Simelane ehlangene noCyril Xaba. uNomagugu Simelane wayekade ewuchairperson kweze agriculture eKZN kwi-portfolio committee yakwa agriculture wayekade chairperson uNomagugu Simelane ngesikhathi exoshisa uJacinta lapha kwiPower FM. uMEC kwakuyilenja le eyimeya namhlanje lekhuluma amanga. uCyril Xaba wayekade MEC wakwa agriculture. uNomagugu Simelane wayekade chairperson we-portfolio committee. uNomagugu Simelane ngaleso sikhathi chairperson kwakufuneke aholde uMEC okuCyril Xaba accountable kwa agriculture. wabona ukuthi kubi kushubile wavele wabribe lo Nomagugu Simelane. uNomagugu Simelane wa-aligna inkampani yakhe ebizwa ngekwazi Gugu. Inkampani kaNomagugu Simelane ebizwa ngekwazi Gugu kwaba yiyona edla indodla zemali yakwa agriculture through uMEC uCyril Xaba lo siqambela amanga namhlanje othi yena usekwazile ukuverifya abantu abawu300 in 2 hours. umsebenzi obekumele umthathe unyaka wonke ewenza kubantu abawu300 uthi yena usewenze wawuqeda wabaverifya waprove ukuthi hayi bonke baligali la eSouth Africa amasimba lezinja lezi. nawo ama-drugs atholakala lapha ePinetown eDurban ePinetown. nawo ama-drugs. umsunu wephoyisa wenza istatement kwabezindaba uthi hayi akutholakalanga ama-drugs ePinetown. nawo ama-drugs iwunga inqwaba yamaphilisi etholakale lapha emabuilding ePinetown. lezinja lezi zihlangene ngathi. ingakho ubalekile umhla ka-30 June. ingakho ubalekile umhla ka-30 June. uyabo yini ongayikhuluma nezigebengu? nabo ubufakazi buka imeya yeTheku uCyril Xaba behlangene noMagugu Simelane beyizigebengu baxoshisa uJacinta lapha bemxoshela ukuthini? bemxoshela ukuthi uqale iMarch and March uyileader yeMarch and March bamxosha lapha bamxoshisa kwiVuma FM. namhlanje uJacinta namanje bayamlandela babhizi baqamba amanga bathi bona akho umuntu okumele avinjwe ukuthi ahlale lapha eKZN ngoba bonke abantu abama-foreigners baligali laphana sebebacheckile abantu abawu300 babacheckile in less than 2 hours. saze sanyeleke eSouth Africa. azasijwayela ngaba ama-politician webantu. ngizoliphenya ibheshu. kunengosi engiyiqalayo yokuphenya ibheshu. hayi kunengosi engiyiqalayo ngane zakwethu isihloko sayo sithi siphenya ibheshu. sizoliphenya ibheshu. nali ibheshu siyaliphenya manje lalo muntu oyimeya ekuthiwa uCyril Xaba benoNomagugu Simelane ngenkampani ebizwa ngekwazi Gugu. siyaliphenya ibheshu manje. uLokhuze uminister wakwa Home Affairs siyaliphenya ibheshu. is a Zimbabwean guy, is not a South African, is a white man from Zimbabwe. The minister of Home Affairs in South Africa is a white man from Zimbabwe. He was born in Harare in Zimbabwe. siyaliphenya ibheshu manje. akudlalwa manje niyasangana nina ngeke sizwe ngani. siyaliphenya ibheshu. siyaliphenya ibheshu manje. siyaliphenya manje ibheshu. nawo ama-proof ukuthi lo msebenzi bekumele uthathe isikhathi esingakanani and yini ebekumele yenzeke uma kuthiwa kuyaverifywa. imaphi amadokhumenti abelindelekile ukuthi avezwe ukuthi ama-foreigners awaphethe ngoba awafani ala eSouth Africa ngeindlela eyingafani. Amanye mhlambe ama-refugees, amanye ayizinto eyihlukahlukene, bekumele i-foreigner ne-foreigner kuvela ukuthi lona mangaka abephethe amaphepha mhlambe ama-refugees, mangaka aphethe ama-permit mhlambe okusebenza. Bekumele kuhlukane kuvele ukuthi wonke ama-foreigners a-checkiwe aphethe maphi amaphepha azokwenzana eSouth Africa mangakanani ngokuhlukahlukana kwawo. Leyo nto beyothatha isikhathi not less than 9 months. Ningasijwayeli kabi nini, alinge nisijwayele kabi. Ningathi man undermine ongizwe emchunu bese nicabanga ukuthi sonke sifana nongizwe emchunu. Sihlakaniphe kabi thina. So liphenye ibheshu nina ama-corruption enzu sowadalula manje ngoba kudala sinibuka sithule.
Home Affairs mekuyithina abala eSouth Africa abadinga usizo lwakho uthi isystem idown kodwa bokufika wazi ukwenza umsebenzi ka2 years within 2 hours. Ngiyakubongela.
Sanibona MC Ma1010 la ulo oxhaswa bakanyamezela funeral services ulone inkulumeni ohlonze. Kuthiwa uHome Affairs izolo lapha eDurban CBD lapha eSarswart la beqhinqe khona ama-foreigners ethi azocela protection kwabizwa kuHome Affairs namanye ama-sister departments. uHome Affairs ubezokwenza i-verification of amaphepha wabo noma ama-documents wabo ukuba le South Africa ukuthi asemthethweni na noma cha. Bathi-ke abezindaba bakwaze ukuchecka amaphepha awu-457 bathola ukuthi babili kuphela abantu bangaphandle abanamaphepha angekho emthethweni. Kusho ukuthi laba abawu-455 asemthethweni amaphepha abo. Ayikwazi kwashayisa ngamakhala lokho. Kwazi kwangathembeka Home Affairs. Yini into edalwa ngithi cha kwazi kwangathembeka lokho ukuthi ama-South Africans ahleze bambe ulayini kuma-benches wenu eHome Affairs. Bathi be-less than 200 ningakwazi ukubasiza bonke ngosuku oluyi-1 ngenxa yokuthini na? Ngenxa ukuthi nihleli nikhala ngesystem edown, isystem this, isystem that, isystem this, isystem that. Kanti niyakwazi nini ukuthi ni-Home Affairs nikwazi ukusevisa abantu abangaphezu kwa-450 ngosuku? Kuyenzeka kanti? Noma mhlambe nani amaphepha benowabheka ngamehlo nje njenganabophakela umthakathi nabongizwe? Bafethu ayingeke kodwa ayakuthembeki kodwa akasisho ukuthi bela ku-wrong kodwa nje ngendlela enihlezi nisho ngayo nini nisebenze Home Affairs masifikile sizobamba ulayini indlela nje nihleli nikhuluma ngayo ayithembisi ukuthi lento le eshiwoyo eripotwayo manje iyiqiniso ngempela. Awukwazi ukuthi ungathi wena usevise abantu abawu-450 ngosuku oluyi-1 kodwa thina ama-South Africans sifike lapho uthola ukuthi abantu ba-less than 200 kodwa baze baphuma abanye kuze kushaya u4 isikhathi othi nivale bengaseyivisekanga ngenxa yokuthini nikhala ngalezaba nikhale ngalezi nikhale ngalezi. Hayi kona kwenza umqondo kodwa hayi siyabonga ngoba nikwazile ukubenza kodwa nje ayingeke bafowethu. Okugcina bafowethu ngiyacela mani ngiyacela nami ngiyazithoba. Yabona uma ngabe ungayithandi into engiyikhulumayo ngicela unfollow ungiblock okanye unfollow so that ngingazuvele efonini yakho yabo because mina ngithuka inhlamba la maye wena mangaba ngizathi ngikhulumile bese wena uyathukanisa uthukanise kule page la libukelwa abantu abaningi le page nabahloniphekile yabo. So manje please ngiyacela manganje ubona ukuthi awuthandi into mhlambe engiyikhulumayo ngicela unfollow okanye ungiblock so that ngingasezuvela kuwena. Isicelo nje ngiyacela kakhulu.
Foreign nationals, 300 foreign nationals. Visas were checked, their documents were verified, and all of this was done in under 3 hours. But it takes you all day just to get a South African ID made. Either Home Affairs has been hiding superpowers from us, or something about that verification was just not real. So let's do the math. 300 people, 180 minutes, 3 hours where to, 1 minute and 48 seconds according to the calculations. This is like less than 2 minutes Imbuzo njengokuthi things are expired or they are authentic or whether they were cross-referenced against the movement control system have to be asked. And even with 10 officials working at the same time, you get like 18 minutes per person. For a document authenticity check, that's just not enough in my opinion. Let's talk about the legal reality. A verification exercise of Ineicha Eganje carries a lot of legal weight. People are declared legally compliant or non-compliant based on the outcome. Employers are cleared or prosecuted. Individuals are detained or released based on what the process found. If that process was superficial though, if officials were doing visual glances rather than genuine cross-referencing against Home Affairs databases, Interpol records and visa conditions were checked, then every single outcome from that exercise is legally compromised. We cannot make a consequential legal determination of about 300 people in 3 hours and call it due diligence. In a court of law, that process would be torn apart under cross-examination. Questions like what was checked, what system was used, what's the paper trail, who authorized the findings? If those questions don't have solid answers, the verification means nothing. So I'm not here to defend illegal immigration. I'm here to say that a fake process protects no one. Not South Africans, not the law, not the integrity of the system. It damages. If we're serious about immigration enforcement in this country, then the process has to be real, not a 3-hour photo opportunity. Watch your government, fam. Ask questions. The Constitution gives you that right. Please, use it. My name is Andile Njangase, and I'm only here to give you a piece of my mind. Thank you.
Kuona wonke ama-home affairs esinawo la eSouth Africa ufika ekseni ngabo 4 mhlambe uzosizakale ngabo 1 2 emini futhi sometimes ungasizakali. Kwesinye isikhathi kuthiwe isystem ayisebenzi ugoduke ungasizakalanga. Kuona wonke ama-home affairs esinawo la eSouth Africa. But izolo uHome Affairs wa South Africa kumthathe 2 hours ukuthi verify abantu abawu 457. But wena uma uyokwenza ID noma uyokwenza passport kwi-Home Affairs yase Commercial Street in Durban CBD, it can take you 7 or 8 hours ukuthi usizakale futhi mhlawumbe ugcina ungasizakalanga. Uma uyokwenza ID noma uyokwenza passport eHome Affairs yaseMngeni Road kuyakuthatha mhlawumbe u10 hours kuya ku15 hours ungasizakalanga. I went to Pitoli last week bengisepitoli. Epitoli bengiseHome Affairs ngifuna ukuyovuselela ipassport yami because ngibuye ngishaya lokhu cross border phinde ngisebenza amazwe angaphandle. Epitoli mhlawumbe kwangithatha 3 to 5 hours ukuthi ngisizakale ngize ngenze passport yami because ube ngirenew. So lento uma ngizama ukuconnect ama-dot no bosopolitiki kwesinye isikhathi nibovele ningakhulumi ningasho lutho kubantu because abantu bawusebenzisa uGoogle bosopolitiki. uGoogle abantu bawusebenzisa. You can't say in 2 hours ukwaze ukuseva abantu abawu 457. You can't. Njengamanje you can go and do a research. Ungaya kunoma iyiphi Home Affairs esinayo la eSouth Africa. Uzobona uma ufika eHome Affairs kusuke kunabantu aba less than 200. But istaff sase Home Affairs asikwazi ukubasiza sibaqede labo bantu aba less than 200. How much more abantu masebe u 457 bese nina hulumeni nizothi niba verify in 2 hours. Kusho kuphela kona wonke ama-Home Affairs akhona nisho ukuthi abasebenzi bakhona abafuni ukusebenza noma ba useless because thina mase Home Affairs ufike Home Affairs mhlawumbe ngo4 ekseni uzogoduwe mhlawumbe ngabo 2-3 ntambama. But le speed esingaka nini nikwazi ukuverify abantu abawu 457 in 2 hours, but you fail to service umphakathi osuse Home Affairs ofika ngabo 5 ngabo 3 ekseni uzogoduka omunye wawo ungasizakalanga nophindisele emuva. But no man, guys, come on. Yazi boso politics ningamane ningakhulumi kwi media. Ungabona ama camera ebheke kuwena bese siyakhuluma. Kwesinye isikhathi ubovela uthulu, ungakhuluma ungasho lutho. You can't, guys. Unganoma kiphi Home Affairs. Uzoyibona into engisho. Ufike Home Affairs ngo4 ekseni. Mhlawumbe uzogodwe ngabo 3 ntambama or 4 ntambama futhi ungasizakalanga. But nina kunithatha 2 hours ukuthi ni service abantu. Musana ukudlala ngabantu. Musana ukudlala ngabantu. Musana ukudlala ngabantu. Iqiniso namanga akuhlangani.
Masingagezeleki up. Don't take us for fools. Who's that mayor in KZN? Was it Durban? Bantu Cyril enqala nombona. Don't take us for fools. Nagqibela ngokuya nani sasinihlekela nisithi swimming pool, a fire pool. That time is long gone. Don't take us for fools. You are saying we have verified people within 2 hours, 457 of them. And you don't tell us the details of the verification. You're just saying they are legally, they've got papers. What type of papers? Abantu besibabone besitwe TV ngokunokwabo besithi we are here. Home Affairs has been not working with us in terms of giving us documents. Kusitsho bona. No. We know the process that you take when you go for verification. You see, I will just read the process and then you tell me within 2 hours ungabe so verify abantu by 457 and you don't even say what type of outcomes of that verification per individual. Because the process 81, you scan the passport. After scanning the passport, you verify visas or their permits. If is these legit permits, they are not expired. Because permits, they are through South Africa, you've got your study permits. It's a duration of 3 to 4 years. You've got working permits. That is requirements only for scarce skill and critical skill. You see, you've got business permits that requires investment that is not less than 5 million rands in South Africa. And then you've got other visas, maybe 4 to 5 visas to 6 visas. Each person must be taken through that. Number 3, you capture fingerprints or facial biometrics. Number 5, you run a watch list, Interpol checks. Lo mntu is not a criminal akabalekanga nakulenda wasuka kuyo. All of that. Number 5, you check overstays or deportation flags. Lo mntu akahlelanga ixesha bengafanelanga uhleli ngalo na. Do tell me all of those people abanye bebeze visiting visas as no 90 days, but they ended up staying for long. After checking overstays, you verify against the biometric movements control system. But all of that must be done for one person each time. Ngala system yenu siyaziyo into kokuba uthi noba uzokoleka ntoni uthathe 3 hours uwedwa, but you have managed to verify. Don't take us for fools, so that when ANC government, that time has long lost. You are not dealing with fools here. And for that matter, those people, they did not go there at the police station. They were tobacco verified or abandoned document. Those people are running away from these communities because they have been told that it's 30 years and it's 30 years anyan. Because what you are doing as Home Affairs, you are assisting criminals, you are assisting illegal foreigners, which we know that they bought papers over 680,000 documents by USIU has been found that zithengisiwe by Home Affairs officials. And as a Home Affairs officials, about 70 of them zibanjiwe. And then you tell us we must believe you. Don't take us for fools. Dango.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. People are angry after Cyril Qaba, iMayor yaseThekwini, ivete ukuthi sebaba verifyile onke lama foreigners labe walapha eThekwini, bawa verifyile onke. They were 457 and bakwende lokho within 3 hours. And people are saying ukuthi show ukuthi Home Affairs nema superpowers because it's in South Africans when we go to their offices sifuna lesito bahlezi basitshela ngema network ma system ngokuthi down, but bona they were able to verify 457 people within 2 hours. And they are saying ukuthi bonke labantu banetimpe but into about the rights bayithu kuphela kule 457 labathole ukuthi banema documents la ngekho right. And people are saying ukuthi there is no such thing. Cyril Qaba nebangani bakhe bayekele kwenda ama South Africans ma clowns tiphukupuku because there is no way. So people are calling him out ukuthi uyifake ukhohlakele and he's defending my foreigners. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.